That's crazy.
Then the destination is on your left. This is amazing.
Oh, this would be perfect for drone shots, bro.
Yeah, dude, that's what I told you. Photo shoot for Adorama, talking about high-speed sync, TTL, and manual flash. People get intimidated by that. We're here with the one and only. Introduce yourself.
All right, so Giovanni, right here, coming from Texas, hanging out with my boy from New York. We're gonna get some stuff done.
Yep.
The man right here.
That's the man right there. We're both men. In case you were.
The man.
Who's this?
The men. And the women.
And the woman.
The beautiful wife.
And who do we have here?
Another stranger from New York. Horse died. Pick me up.
Look at that.
Look at that outfit. Look at that.
Wow.
Got it from Temu.
There you go. Straight out of China.
Straight out of China. All right, so we got some shots with the 50mm. The creamy bokeh always makes the images look good. We're gonna shoot now with the 15 to 35. Maybe use the 70 to 200. We don't know. Images are coming out great. George is an amazing model. Every shot you take of him, he just looks amazing. Great bone structures. Just the look, man. It just gives. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's keep on doing it. I'm gonna try to darken everything really, really dark.
Really dark?
Yeah, and see if it gives me like a moody kind of vibe.
Yeah.
And let me just check this out real quick. Let me see. Look this way for me, George. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. Okay. Oh my God. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, shoot. This is gonna look.
I know that sound. That ooh,
Oh.
yeah.
It was either really good or really bad.
Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, George.
Okay. Thank you, George. Yes, that's what I meant. Tilt your head a little bit more back so the flash hits you. Like your hat tilted a little bit. There we go. And there we go. All right, look more towards this way, George. There we go. Hold that. Let me take a look at this. Let me make sure that I'm not tricking myself. Oh my God. That's so sick. Okay, let me do it. Hold it. Hold that. That's nice. Great. Now let me get a shot of your face here. Just so I can get you like really close up and this here. Stand right here for me.
I know we like shallow depth of field a lot of times, but this 5.6, dude, it just,
You're right.
it's looking so good.
No, and it kind of the place lends itself. But the problem is that we never have a good background.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
That's beautiful.
Yes. Looks like a scene.
This fucking George is a shit, man.
Yeah. that's what it is.
Yeah.
The photographer takes the credit all the time. It's like.
You fake it pretty good.
Yeah. Do you smoke for real though? No. Okay. Then you are faking it pretty good. Get closer. All right, and here we go. Here, hold that. Let me take a look. Okay, so that's your mouth. What do you think? I think that just like it's a little too hard. But let me bring it down a little bit more. Let me see.
Smoke it. There you go. got a little bit of everything.
Oh no,
Yeah.
it's nailed.
Yep.
You could do a fake sun and shoot it from the top down somewhere, maybe, or.
Let's see. Yeah. That sounds good. Let me see. I want to take like a really wide shot up in here.
Right here?
Maybe like even sitting. Maybe just yeah, this way or this way. Whatever looks cooler. I don't care. Let's see.
What do you want? 15?
I'm gonna be on 15.
It's like cornered in stairs. We got a little bit of light. Probably maybe go this way.
This one with the back like this, and it makes like emotive light. You know, like it's gonna show.
Sammy, can I use that knife of yours?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I was thinking about how to Photoshop that out. I was thinking about it the whole time. I'm like, okay.
The tag.
But I wasn't asking to rip it. Let's see if we want.
Flying everywhere.
¿Qué ángulo tú crees, Giovanni? ¿Este? O este con esta luz así?
That was good too, right? If you go this way, then you could really throw that.
Yeah.
It'll
From the stairs, right? And then I'll
from the stairs
Photoshop it
down.
out.
Yep.
From
I like
here,
that.
like him stand. Yo siento como que debería estar como sentado para.
You can do a standing or a sitting. And we can move that stool over right
Yeah,
there.
I think so. I wish
Jordan,
we
let's
had-
move that stool over.
I'm gonna change that stool for a hay.
Hey, you got a Canon. That'll be too artificial.
Maybe something you can
I
put
shoot
his
Canon. I
on.
shoot Sony. Let me see. There's another chair before real quick.
You do a standing up right there. Do the right foot up. Maybe right.
Yeah, that look cool too. This one looks. You have the light from here, the other one?
Yeah, that'll.
Okay, let me put the dish on
You
it.
could probably single like it.
Let me shoot.
That
Let me shoot
shit
this
would
one.
look crazy
You're gonna
too.
put this dish or not?
Let me hold it. Let me see what the soft light. Let me see how it looks.
Just so the soft will wrap in the bed.
Yep. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, that should look good.
Let me see. Let me get the background first.
So you're coming from the side.
Let me get the background.
You want to cut it off a bit?
Yeah. Let's back it up a little more.
It comes out a little harder than.
Let me just test the.
You want cut it off or you want straight forward?
Completely done. Yeah, feather for sure.
Feather this way.
Wow, do that please. Alright, let me put another angle and then we're good. I'm good with this video.
I'm gonna get maybe B-roll with the light up there.
Yeah,
So
get-
stay right here.
And if you want, go all the way up there
Up
too.
there and then here.
Yep.
Give me that same post real quick, George.
And also get the flash from this angle too, like showing. Again? Ah, Jesus Christ.
Iconic.
I want to be reincarnated like you, George, one day. I want. Yep.
With a little ice pick.
That's it. Alright, let me get a kind of wide. You good? I'm messing up? Okay.
No, it's in the right. Let me get the shots. There, and I'll tell you where to move.
Alright, hold up. Let me shut this off so I can save battery.
Yeah, same battery because that.
This thing is pulling, dude.
What do those do now? Like 60 watts, 100 watts of
I just
LED?
Yeah. Yeah, this is like a 60. I've exposed with this. Like,
Yeah.
Yep. Like video wise. Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Moving the light just a little bit, somehow, because I want to emphasize it that it's in there. Lower it down just a bit.
Okay.
Lower it down. Yeah, right there, right there.
Okay.
Yeah, this fucking ladder's in the way. Look, see what you think. See, I mean, that's kind of just what I'm thinking.
No, that's beautiful, dude. That's
Okay.
gonna work. It works for the
Get
shot.
this in the front foreground. Alright, give me some. Oh yes, good. Hat back on. Look
That's it.
forward. Oh yeah.
And if you can, overexpose that. When? I'll hold it right here, sorry. Let me go for it. Great. Hey, let me just get your feet walking now. And something like this. Turn around. Yep. Here you go. In a second.
Roughly good on either side.
That side is better, yes. Right there. And go for it. Woo! Hollywood. Got it. Okay. Just let us back in one time. Okay. And wait.
Go wide. Are you gonna go close?
No, I'm gonna go tight, but let me see. I think with the wide it'll look better, but let me see how this looks.
I got dish on the grid,
Okay,
so you can spotlight the face a little bit.
that'll be cool. Let me see what it's looking like. I think I just got a blast it. Excited from the button. Yeah. Let me go one by one.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Did it pop? It did pop on the first one. Let me see. It pop. It gives it like a flare. Maybe we should put it on the inside.
On the
Maybe
inside
let
and then
yeah.
let it pop in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. Aquí en Univision, Canal 41, Telemicro, Canal 5, Telemundo. Shooting with the 70-200. This is the last shot of this video for Adorama. Talking about, I don't know what, but it's going to be cool. Take a look at that.
I'm gonna shoot it down. It'll sort of pop back up. But this is pretty small.
Okay.
If we go up, it's just gonna.
Yeah. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. Probando. All right, let's go. Let's see how this looks. All right, yeah. That's the look right there. There we go.
Here. Ayuki Cameron.
That's cool. I love that. A little wider. Got it. All right, guys, that's the wrap for the first video. We had so many good shots, and then we just kept finding another location. No, this shot looked good. And this shot, if not, we were gonna stay here the whole day, but we had to cut it. Now we're gonna move on to shooting another video for Adorama, which is gonna be based around how to expose your subject with flash, how to expose the background, and then how to expose your subject. So that's the second video. But we're good. We got such amazing shots, guys. I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like. Or maybe it was popping up throughout the video. I don't know. But that's it. That's a wrap. See you next time.